welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Today I will be making another beautiful cake, guys. Soft and fluffy and perfect for any occasion. This one is the whipping cream pound cake, guys. Very delicious, very delicious. Let's get started. So now, my beautiful, I have a 10-inch cube pan. I will butter and lightly dust with flour.
Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth the while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own.
Preheat your oven to 325. So here, my beautiful, the ingredients are 3 sticks salted butter, or you can get a measurement of 24 tablespoons softened, 3 cups sugar, 6 eggs, 3 cups cake flour, half pint heavy whipping cream, and 1.5 teaspoon vanilla. Now I will sieve the flour.
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love.
Now I will combine
So don't be lazy. Just give it to me.
sugar
Know that I'm hard to love.
and butter
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
until creamy. Mix until creamy. This cake is so rich and creamy, so rich and fluffy and soft. You can decorate it in anything you want to. Add flour and whipping cream alternately. I will now stir in vanilla. For a more richer flavor, guys, you can add half teaspoon more vanilla. I will now pour into prepared stew pan.
Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy.
So rich and flavorful, guys. I can smell it. Don't be afraid to scrape the pan, guys. Get every bit out, guys. Just waiting to get it baked and decorated. Now you can smooth, get the top a little smooth. Leveled out. Yes, guys. Bake it with love and share it with love. Okay guys, let's go straight to the oven. Bake 1 hour and 15 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes or until texture is inserted, reach the middle of cake and it comes out clean. So here we go guys, looking beautiful. I will use a butter knife to insert all the way down to test if the cake is baked. Beautifully done. So please check my description box for more information on this beautiful cake. Thank you so much. Now I will set aside for 10 minutes or until cool before decorating. So stay tuned guys.